a new tutorial in this basic SolidWorks course. This time we are going to model a piece called top plate. In this video, in addition to the basic sketch commands such as line and circle, we will use the commands extruded boss base, extruded cut, thin feature, and fillet. This is a drawing of the piece that we are going to model in this video. So, let's start. The first thing is to go to SolidWorks and open a new part document. Later, as we already know, we are going to configure the units in millimeters. Next, we will create a new sketch and choose the front plane. We will look for the centerline command and we will draw a construction line at 90 degrees from the origin. Then, with the line command, we will draw 3 lines as follows. And later, we will begin to put measurements. The distance between this point and the construction line will be 68 millimeters. Then, the height of this line will be 4 millimeters. And finally, the length of this line will be 50 millimeters. Now, we will go to the Sketch tab and we will look for the Mirror Entities command. We will click on it, and in Entities to Mirror, we will select the 3 lines that we draw. And in Mirror About, we will select the construction line. And finally, we will click on Accept. Once this is done, we will exit the sketch and go to the Features tab and choose the Extrude Boss Base command. In this part, the extrusion will be 82 millimeters. And now, we will go to the Thin Features section. This command will serve to add a measure of thickness to the lines. It will help us to avoid having to draw a more complex sketch or with more lines, and save time when designing the part. So, we will click on Reverse Direction and insert the value 12. We will click on Accept. And then, we will go to the Features tab and look for the Fillet command to create the fillet specified in the drawing. Now, we will select the 4 edges on which we want the fillet to be done. And later, the radius of these fillets will be 11. And finally, we will click on Accept. We will right-click on this surface and create a new sketch. And we will use the Circle command to draw 4 of them. First, we will position the cursor on the fillet, and then the center of it will appear. So, we will click on it, and we will do it for the other 3 circles too. Then, we will select all the circles. And later, we will add an equal relation. And finally, we will add the measure of the diameter of the circles, which will be 11 millimeters. To finish this piece, we will go to the Features tab and look for the Extruded Cut command. We will change the configuration to Throughout All, and we will click on Accept. With this, we will have finished this piece. I hope this video has been useful to you, and thank you for watching.